We are at the Manchester of India, Coimbatore, which is very famous for textile and machine tools. So, BFW is having a great stall, wonderful machines, big machines displayed at INTEC 2024 to talk about the stall as well as how BFW is taking its lead in the manufacturing. We have with us Rajesh Agte, who is the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer of BFW India. Even the small scale industries, you think that the productivity what they need to give, the quality they need to give, they need such kind of advanced machines?
Yes, what is happening is the China plus one approach from the US and the Europe is actually bringing in this change in the thought process, even at the small scale level, and that is what we are observing. And we think that should not be holding back any kind of technology only for the OEMs or for even our solutions. What we have various solutions, we should not limit it to only the what do we say medium scale or the large scale organizations, but we should also bring it down at MSME level, because we are seeing we were also surprised the interaction that we are having, where customers are really looking forward for such kind of solutions, which they were heavily depending on import.
I also witnessed, I must say, that in Pune near Carthage, we can say in that very small place there is more than 250 BFW machines, which is something amazing, which I feel kind of achievement what you BFW have done.
In fact, for that matter, now Coimbatore also is a very big market for us, and I think we have roughly about almost 15 to 20 machines coming every month.
Every month. And you also spoke about promoting Make in India, and I think you are leading with the example.
Yes, because you are seeing here a lot of solutions, which are put on display, because many of the solutions it is very difficult to bring it on the display stall. But that is the purpose of putting all these posters, so that a customer at Coimbatore who is from the MSME background, he is exposed to these kind of technologies, and he knows that okay, where to go if such a requirement comes up.
Actually, just another 350 kilometers from here, I believe, is Hosur.
Less than 300.
Less than 300. And that was when you are leading that example of Make in India. Why? I still remember I was there. Thank you for inviting me there. The FANUC president have told, in his lifetime, BFW's connected factory was something he's seen in his lifetime. So, those capabilities, what BFW is bringing to its, that capabilities, how you think that is going to transform India and the global manufacturing?
I think it is setting the bar high. I think that's what BFW is also trying to do. We are trying to raise the bar of technology and the capability on the machine building side, and as a solution to the customer.
Now, you spoke about, or when I came to your stall, one thing what attracted me is you are talking about think solutions.
Yeah.
Many people talk that we don't want to sell a product, we want to sell a solution.
Yeah.
But BFW with such a large products, BMCs, HMCs, turning centers, what think solutions makes a difference?
BFW does almost about 60% of standard machine sale, and the balance 40% is of solutions. And in that also almost 25% are really important solutions or critical solutions, and which I would say in last 4-5 years, majority of them have been a direct import substitute. And this side of BFW is not exposed in a big way, but all the OEMs and the concerned manufacturers know about it. So that's the one of the purpose of these are like this particular solution. It's for a very critical missile component. So this was actually, customer was forced to import this kind of a solution. So they approached us whether BFW can offer a turning solution. You can imagine BFW is always looked upon as a milling solution provider, but this is a pure turning solution what BFW has offered. And now we got repeat business in this. So here this is between center is about 5.5 meters. So this side of BFW of solutions, things solutions come from that. We always try to understand what customer is looking at, and we would like to offer solutions that will meet his requirement.
I believe what you're trying to tell is that today you dream, you imagine, nothing can stop. BFW is there when it comes to creating solution for be it turning, milling, machining, anything.
Yeah,
You can be the right partner. So,
in fact, if you look at our product range now, what is happening is we have in horizontal machining center complete range we have right from 400 pallet up to 1250 pallet. So very wide range in horizontal machining centers. In vertical machining centers we have right from 400 by 350 up to 6 meter by 3 meter. So again a very wide range. In VTL we have right from 500 dia to up to 2 meters. So very wide range. In that we have turret, we have ram, all configurations. You go to horizontal turning, again we have a complete range, right from 150 dia up to we are going up to 600 mm. So, again a very wide range. What is happening is, we are able to now mix and match also these product ranges or certain sub-assemblies and offer a complete solution. We are able to offer a mix of horizontal vertical turning, a mix of horizontal vertical machining. Anything we are able to offer as a turnkey solution with this kind of combination. And that is one of the biggest advantage today at BFW.
whatever we are seeing is just tip of the iceberg, because the kind of, as a manufacturing, even what I dream of what India is a very long way to achieve. And I think we are all in the right now keep putting fundamentals right now, building those building blocks to reach high. And I believe the kind of capabilities what BFW is building in India, every manufacturer should go and visit the Talli plant. I got inspired, and I was very happy to see that Ravi Raghavan sir, the managing director and CEO of BFW was very vocal, inviting all the manufacturers come and see. He's very open. So, thank you very much for offering such kind of capabilities to India, to show the world that we are not behind anyone.
Yes, absolutely. And in fact, we are preparing for that. I would say a big jump.
Big jump.
What we call as a leap exercise.
Yes.
As a strategy of leap at BFW.
Your leap is also something amazing. It's all vision turned into small steps and achieving.
Yeah, definitely.
So this growth was not magic. It was hard work.
Yeah, it's a lot of hard work, lot of planning. And one more point I would like to touch here is, when we talk about solutions and think solutions, when we wanted to enter into the 5-axis machines, BFW decided that we will make our own heads. So in 5-axis configuration, whether it's a double column configuration, a horizontal machining center configuration, or a vertical machining center configuration, you need those swivel heads or universal heads. And BFW has been very, very, we took a lot of initiative well in advance, and we made our own heads, designed our own heads, and now this is going to help us, to launch aggressively our 5-axis range.
Thank you very much for your valuable time.
Thank you, Machine Maker, for being here. Thank you.